Yes, guys, look at that. Not the usual scenery, right? Yes, we are outdoor today. And drop it down in the comment section which video you know us do outdoor. Yes, that jerk chicken on a coal stove. We are here with an updated version. So these are our chicken leg quarter, and we have our seasoning here: black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, or Walker's Wood jerk seasoning, or salt, and our beer barbecue, along with our tools that we'll be using: our brush, a thong, and our fork, along with a spoon. Right, guys, so we're just going to jump right into the seasoning up, and then we'll just take you guys right over to the fire. Disclaimer, guys, so the clip that we were seasoning the chicken, that clip got so corrupted and it wasn't able to play, so I must apologize for that. However, we seasoned the chicken with our mother seasoning, salt and pepper, as you know, so we're going to lightly season with the salt and pepper because the Walker's Wood jerk seasoning that we're going to use has salt content in it as well, and we want to balance that along with our onion and garlic powder. So yeah, that's what we seasoned with. Yes, guys, get it all up in the creases. A whole heap of festivity happening over here, guys. You know you have to season the chicken properly. And look at that. And you can marinate this for however long you have, but we just have limited time, so we're going to marinate for 30 minutes to an hour. You can do it from overnight, whichever way, guys. Weeks, 3 days. The longer it's marinate, the greater the flavor content. Yes,
and guys, you can use oil to spread the flavor, but like how the season, it's easily spread.
Yeah.
We know we're not going to use any oil for today.
And look at that, perfectly seasoned, guys. And if you look and you're seasoning chicken and you don't see the color change, season, guys.
So I know when I catch a drift, so I catch on back when we add this to the grill. So forward. Yes, guys, so see the fire.
Yes, guys, look at that. You see those coals roaring hot? Yes, guys. So now look at the chicken, perfectly marinated. Yes, we did add some bay leaf and pimento seed off camera, guys, so we're just letting you know because we don't leave you guys out of nothing, right? So we're just going to add the chicken, and remember, guys, we're going to place this skin side down because you want that skin to be charred. You hear that sizzle? Yes, guys, that's what we're working for, that sizzle. And be sure to take off the leaves or the seed if it gets on it, right? Oh yes, look at that. Perfect, guys. And you know how we do it, so we're just going to get our foil container, but we're using tin sheet to cover this, guys.
Look at it, beautifully seasoned, properly marinated. So now we're just going to cover this with a tin sheet.
Guys, look at that. Yes, cover up that, and we're going to give this 5 to 10 minutes on each side, or you can just give it a check, and if you see it wants to turn, you give it a turn. So far.
About that time, guys.
Time to give this a
turn.
Look at that, look at that, look at that.
Watch smoke. Hey, watch char.
That nice char, guys.
Know all of this already and in a reach nowhere yet.
Yes, guys, so we're going to catch you guys again when we're going to base this up, but for now this is how it's looking. Yes, guys, so we're just going to give this a cover and then so forward again.
Soon forward. Yes, guys, so we're there again, and we're going.
It's time for the turn. Hold on there, guys, because you see fire is hot. You know I'm burn up, guys. Not at all. Look at that. Look at that.
As in, so she base up.
And guys, if the fire is too hot, you quell it down with water, right? So that's what we did off camera. We quell down the fire because it was getting too hot, right?
Take a closer look. Watch your share going with.
Yes, guys. And don't be afraid to dredge this in your seasoning because this is what's going to help enhance that flavor profile, guys. And now is the time that it's crucial. You can't have the fire too heavy or high on this because now is the time that it will burn because it has the sauce on it now. So it's just going to set and absorb that flavor. So you don't want the fire too high. And I'm going to show you how to quell this fire. Yes, guys. This is it. A squeeze bottle. I have a water bottle here. And I just, yeah. Remember, I know it's jerk, guys. So all of that smoke and that flavor is good for it, right? So we're just going to give it a cover again and keep a close eye. So
Soon forward again.
so forward.
Yes guys, so it's about that time. We'll give this a final turn.
Yes guys, this is the final turn. So look at that. Ooh, yes guys, look at that char. Guys, I want to say char. When I say char, guys, I don't want you guys to get the misconception that I mean burnt. This is not burn. I mean char, and I mean properly char, guys. I'm coming. Yes guys.
And remember, this is a cold stove jerk chicken.
Where you ever see that before? Tell me.
Outdoor.
Drop it down in the comment section and tell me where you ever see this before.
Alright, so now Shaka use a brush.
Coming along again with the brush, and guys, this is the final. We're down to the finishing, the final. Right?
Yeah, so the next time I'm gonna see we again.
A removal time, and we're gonna show you it street style. How we serve it up in Jamaica in that foil paper. Yes guys, that street style. Just going to allow this to set on this side. Yeah, it's street style. The other one was plated fine dine, so we're coming along with this one in the street style, right? So guys, we're so forward. So ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers to spam the comment section. And for all the persons that are watching overseas, welcome, welcome, welcome. All the new persons, welcome. This is how we do jerk chicken in Jamaica.
Remember last week when you get a stove top jerk, pan-seared style?
Yes.
So today we're gonna get a outside cold stove
jerk. Yes guys. So that's it. Look at that. Look at that now guys, and tell me where that's properly charred, looking so lovely, so forward.
Yes guys, it's about that time.
So we're just going to remove, and we're going to give it a final place up guys.
So we're gonna turn this and rub on some more sauce on it.
Yes.
Alright.
Yes guys. Final this, and guys, ensure to keep a close eye now, right? Chicken is properly cooked right now, so we just want that nice sauce to absorb on the chicken and give you that nice sheen, right? See why it was important to keep that skin and keep that skin flavorful. So this is it, final, down to the final guys. Alright.
So I'm going to catch a drift. I catch it back when we chop up this and put it in a file soon forward.
So forward.
Yes guys, so removal time as you see.
Look
so
at that guys, just
look.
close up and see what we're talking about. Yes guys. So it's time for that removal. We're gonna place it in our pan there. Yes guys, and this is smelling so lovely guys. Even the neighbors come over asking what's going on. Yes guys, look at that. Yes, so we're just going to chop up this. So forward. Yes guys, so Chef Reid decided that he wants to be in the video today, so he's doing the chopping up. So yes guys, look at that. And in Jamaica, this is called a quarter-pound jerk chicken, and this is usually $500 to $1,000. It can go to $500 up to $1,000.
No, $500 chicken stops a long time.
I said $500 up to $1,000. So you know, you might hear 600, 700, 800, 1,000. So it's $500 up to $1,000, and that's what you'll be getting, right? So we're just going to show you the exact and everything how we plate it up street style, right? Yes guys, you see that foil? Everything goes onto that foil. See the foil? Straight from the board to the foil. Everything you're getting guys. And usually if you want some pepper, you can just take pepper. Usually you have scotch bonnet, but most persons can't really manage that. So
can I eat it with your bread, your crackers? But
yes.
Right now, that's what it's gonna eat.
Yes guys, the customer want it exactly like this. They just requested jerk chicken and they want it in the foil street style. So yes guys, for all the persons that are coming to Jamaica or planning on coming to Jamaica, just DM us. We can definitely prepare all these dishes for you. Take a closer look again. I'm gonna allow you guys to see again, and look at that steam coming from this. You seen that steam? Yes, guys, it's so lovely. So we're just going to close off this video, and we're going to close off the video, guys. Remember, follow us on our Instagram, follow us on our TikTok, and be sure to spam up the comment section, give the video a like and share because you care. Until next time, bye foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.
Remember, guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?